Now I'm beginning to understand what's going on here. So basically, this Anand, because of whom I'm leaving the country, the pimp, you know, I don't know what you heard about me, but you can get $1 out of me. The same bastard who lives with his wife and his mother there is the one who's watching me and coming inside my house, stealing my documents, staining my clothes before iffy stage performance, and harassing me left, right, and center. All the people that have come here from August to install the CC cameras, they all have left mysteriously. Even the company who have already installed 2 cameras in my house left because he's playing the dirtiest game. He's obviously Sonakshi Sinha and his family, the people who live by me. Have you heard that song? 24 years of living door next to Alex. Who the fuck is Alice? Right? That's the situation. Because they live next door to me, they've robbed me of everything, confused me, blurred me, and have the audacity to go around telling everybody this is my property. By what means is it your property? Yesterday I met this guy, when I was having dinner. He's from Dubai. He seemed to be a fun-loving, straight, honest kind of a guy. So he said that, let's go out for dinner. Day before yesterday I met him. He said, let's go out for dinner yesterday. So, I was really tired. I've been running around in Mapsa trying to install a water filter, trying to get my board up. So I was in Mapsa. So it called me. I said, when I come back from Mapsa, I'll call you. So when I came back home at around 10 o'clock, I think, after doing some work in Kalangut, I told him, let's meet. So he's saying, I'm in Kandolim with a Russian couple. Okay, so who were this Russian couple? Do you remember the lover's card that keeps on appearing in my tarot deck? It's none other than Sonakshi Sinha and her husband. Today I got a booking, okay, from somebody who wants to come here with his girlfriend for Valentine's. So he says, I want to book for 3 nights. I want to celebrate Valentine's with her. I said, don't worry, I'll get all these romantic getaways done for you, like a nice romantic shack, how they do it in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I can get you a nice romantic private yacht booked. So he's telling me, I want to leave my girlfriend and marry you. I said, excuse me? He's saying, I'm the one who sees you. So I said, what kind of a fucking rut am I stuck in here, man? On one side, I've got, then another guy from Hyderabad messages me that I'm landing today in Goa. I want to book your place. So I said, okay. I said, send your identification. Nobody wants to send the identification. I said, okay, if you're not comfortable sending your Aadhaar, send your voter's card, send your driver's license. So some of them are sending. Those are the only ones I'm conversing with. So this Hyderabad guy says, what services will I get? How much is the charge for the room? I said, you tell me what's your budget. I'll give you a room according to your budget. Because I've got various kinds of rooms ranging from, low to medium to high budget. So he says, what are the other services I'll get? So I showed him all the brand tie-ups that I have here. Then he says, I'm not interested in leisure activities. I'm just coming there to take over a property. What does this give an indication of? How they are hell-bent on usurping this property. I gave my body, my hair, my mind, everything to create this. And all they want to do is milk it and, take it over. That Anand has 100% been planted by Sonakshi. He's my neighbor, that 19,000 paying Lamani group bastard. He lives there with his wife and his mother-in-law and kids. He's the one who was entering my house, staining my t-shirts, everything according to Sonakshi Sinha's instructions. Even the exhibition, I slogged till 3:30 in the morning, accounting all the products, putting them properly, stapling, packaging them. Who was making me do all this? It is Sonakshi Sinha, the cat who's been sitting on my head from fucking 2005, who's been stealing everything, most importantly, my identity. I saw this video on Instagram right now. It's about a mother and a daughter. The daughter is screaming, in the supermarket, I want this, I want that. So the mother keeps on saying, hush, Rachel, hush, Rachel. And then in the end, a man walks up to her and congratulates her on her parenting. You handled the situation very well. Of Rachel. She said, my kid is not called Rachel. I'm Rachel. You see, this is how this bitch fooled me for fucking the longest time from 2011. That, I am Salman Khan's girlfriend. I'm his wife. When she wasn't. She was just playing with me and using me as a ladder. And even he bullied me a lot because of her. So it's about time both these idiots owned up to their follies and just fucking let me be. And this bitch, I'm gonna tear your cunt apart and scrape out my crores since 2005, ever since you started sitting on my head, hypnotizing, doing bloody Agod Vidya and whatnot. Remember when I went to Santosh in Delhi and how in that watermelon, my Videocon guest house ki bra ka strap came out? This bitch has tied up my sex life, my stomach, my body since the Videocon guest house days through black magic. Money came out from that watermelon. She's tied up my money, my fame. I'm born to be famous. So says my Kundli. So who's eclipsed my son from 2005? This fucking whore. And I know she's my biggest fan because the amount of, it's a proper strategy to take over my life and prove herself innocent and prove everybody else as the culprit. Every day they send me 1 million WhatsApp messages. Every day they send me 1 million Instagram reels. It's all a strategy, a plan, conspiracy to keep this bitch ahead or whatever in the fuck she's doing. My point is, why am I not earning? Yesterday I spoke to an agency that handles restaurant, their whole business. So they're telling me you have to pay me upfront 30,000. How do I get the money? मेरी दाल रोटी यहाँ पर ये हरामजादी रोक के बैठी है काला जादू करके मेरे घर पे from September. On top of that, I'm dealing with people of my stature and they demand money, which is okay. If you're going to deliver me A-lister services, you demand A-lister money and I should be in a capacity to pay that. So when I'm running a 3 crore empire here, why am I left begging for pennies? It's because this Rand who's sitting on my head, who's manipulating everything, is her. Even the headphone is her. Some podcaster called me for a podcast from Pune and from Mumbai. He said, we can shoot it in Mumbai or in Pune. So you tell me when you're available. I said, I'll take it in Pune because I have to go to Pune to pick up my stuff also, my clothes and all. And it's my brother's birthday on 9th Jan. So he said, okay, we were talking. Then from the other phone, she messaged me and I'm going to put that up right now on my stories. Posing as the podcaster and confusing me. This is how she's impersonated other celebrities to confuse me and to keep me in a cocoon. When I reached Bombay, I went to Salman Khan's house, they shooed me away. I went to Sohail Khan's house, they shooed me away. I went to, who else's house did I go to? I went to Shah Rukh Khan's house and they told me that he's in Dubai, gone to Paris for the Olympics. They were the only ones who at least said directly the truth. When I went to Galaxy 4 times, 5 times I went there. They're saying Salman is in Dubai when he was very much in Bombay. When I went to Sohail's house, this driver Deepak didn't let me go up. Because of this bitch. She created these delusions that these people are really close to me. दिन भर बैठ के इंस्टाग्राम पे फेक न्यूज आर्टिकल्स फेक न्यूज मैसेजेस मुझे दिखा के ये लोग चूतिया बनाते हैं. ओके, these people don't give a fuck about me. Salman Khan doesn't give a fuck about me. Nobody gives a fuck about me. This bitch plays these trick games, through Instagram and all these fake news articles that she sends because she wants to manipulate my mind. She wants to manipulate my brain. Because she is what she is because of me. Because of sitting on me and stealing my identity. How dare she continue to run all these troll accounts and earn money from them? How dare everybody support her in this dirty game? The dirtiest game so far. Because she wants to usurp this property. मुझे लॉकअप करा के यहाँ पर हनीमून मना रही थी मादर चौथ. मेरे को 3,500 का बिल छोड़ के गई है. यहां पर ये लोग 2.5 लाख का बिल मेरे पे फेंक रहे हैं. मेरा घर लॉक पड़ा है 10 साल से. किस चीज का 2.5 लाख का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल मैं भरूं भाई? कौन वायर लगा के मेरे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चुरा रहा था? Enough. You all are just greedy for money. You all are just greedy to manipulate my mind to make me subservient to you and play me like a fiddle. I'm understanding all of that now. So really, just fuck off. And Sonakshi, you send me money right now. And get this Anand and his wife and his kids and his mother, this Lamani group, shoot. Paying 19,000 and trying to control a 3 crore empire heiress. I'll fucking whack you. Get that bastard out of my premises right now, otherwise I'll lodge a serious writ petition saying that she's only planted these people to harass me. Before my iffy goes, they come and they stain my bloody blazer. Like, what the fuck? Are you psychotic? Are you so fucking insecure to lose everything that you've gained from me from 2005 by shitting on me and controlling me? And get out of my phone. If it's you, if it's Shatrughan, if it's your brother, if it's your husband, I don't know, I don't care if it's Salman. Get out of my phone. Not letting me earn a penny because of this phone. Enough. Get the fuck out of my life, you bloody bastards. I just cracked that whole Sonakshi, who is the bottom line of this whole game. She's playing the dirtiest game. For all you know, people are not even involved. She's just keeping me in a delusion. Nobody gives a fuck about me. It's about time I came to terms with a harsh reality. These people just keep me in a delusion, which they create by hypnosis and by all these jadoo tona ka kriya, so that they can play me like a fool, so that they can make me say things they want me to say to further their agenda of stardom, money and sex. Please understand that. It's been 20 years openly and 10 years prior to that covertly that they have controlled, usurped, jeopardized and kept me anonymous. I worked the hardest in Zee Music, but I didn't get money to justify that hard work. Money was being taken by Karan Grover because he's sleeping with Niyati. I worked the hardest, but I never got the credit as a star when I was better VJ than Rajlakshmi. Day in, day out, I can do it better than her. But Rajlakshmi got all the credit and all the stardom and all the media. So one person was planted there to hog the media. One boy was planted there considering the executive producer was female to have sex with her and take all the money. And Pooja Mishra in दोनों के बीच में पिसती हुई घुन की तरह बैठी रही. Working the hardest, not getting enough money. Born star I am. Born star. But nowhere in the media, still anonymous. The dirtiest game played by Sinha from my college days. Enough now. Fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. सिन्हा खान, जो भी इन लोग के पूरा गिरोह है, मैंने आप लोग को बताया है, बंगालियों का गिरोह है और सब जानते हैं कि बंगाली काला जादू मुझ पे सिन्हा ने किया. कोई भी बंगाली कारपेंटर हो, इलेक्ट्रिशियन हो, सुपरमार्केट का कैशियर हो, मुझे बैन कर दिया सुपरमार्केट में. अरे मैं रोज जाके वहां अपना डेली सप्लाईज खरीदती हूँ, अपना खाना पीना, अपना ग्रोसरीज खरीदती हूँ. आप यहाँ नहीं शॉप कर सकते. क्यों भाई? मेरा सिम कार्ड तुम्हारे कैश काउंटर से उठाया. मेरा पैन कार्ड, मेरा आधार कार्ड तुम्हारे कैश काउंटर पे मैंने रखा था. तुम्हें पैसे सुपरमार्केट just Bengali dominated area. See how they're spamming me because I've finally caught the culprit. So use my pussy like I get card salina. So anyway, so I went to the Norm supermarket on 8th Jan 2023 and I was taking out money from my wallet and I was giving it to the guy for, you know, Maggie kharid rahi thi main. So this man comes and stands next to me. He takes out the SIM card from my wallet because I've taken out the SIM card. He takes out my Aadhaar card. He takes out my PAN card. All this is being captured by the CC camera of Norm supermarket. Okay? खुल्लम खुल्ला गुंडागर्दी चोरी मच रही है, वो लोग कैमरा में कैप्चर कर रहे हैं. मैंने बोला भैया इसने मेरा सब कुछ चुरा लिया. कौन था ये? There were group of boys, again the Lamani group. ये कौन था? ये ग्रुप में आया, मेरा सब कुछ चुरा के लेके गया. मेरे को जाना है वापस घर, मेरे को फ्लाइट में अपना आधार कार्ड दिखाना है. या आधार कार्ड भी चुरा लिया. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आप पैसा दीजिए और जाइए यहां से. They told me. What do you have CC cameras there for? और आज वही नॉर्म सुपरमार्केट मुझे बेदखल कर रहा है, मुझे बैन कर रहा है. Isn't it obvious? ये गिरोह है बंगालीज का and they are harassing me everywhere. It is that same Bengali Bipasha Basu bitch who's in my aura, the Devi, who never let me into the Bollywood industry, who's sitting on me, who's planted all these little shits, be it Anand, be it all these bloody haramis. नो एंट्री, तेरे को मैं जेल में भिजवा के मरवाऊंगी रोज साली, निकल तू यहां से, गेट आउट, द मेन कल्प्रिट, दैट्स आई सडनली गॉट so many spam calls. And 100% that is no other than Sonakshi Sinha. मैं तुम्हारी दुल्हन को सजवाऊंगी, मुझे नंगा करके बीच में लिटा लो ना, यही है ना वो रंडी, चला अपने दूल्हे और तू भी आट, दोनों आट. I'm bigger than both of you, get out, bloody bastards. Strict and last warning to Shatrughan Sinha and his family to pay me money for the damages that have caused me of 2.5 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs running away from 1.5 lakhs spent in running away from Love Sinha, stalking me like a dog in heat everywhere I went, as well as his PR Shastri up until Mysore तक मेरे पीछे आ गए. 1.5 लाख मैंने स्पेंड किया इन कुत्तों से दूर भागने के लिए. That 1.5 lakhs for the damages that this bastard Anand Shweta caused because you did black magic through them in my house and मेरे rentals रुक गए, मेरी दाल रोटी रोकी तुमने. फिर यहां पर सोनाक्षी ने और लोगों को प्लान करके मेरा जीना हराम कर रखा है, मेरे से मेहनत करा एग्जीबिशन के पहले और एग्जीबिशन में चिल्लर भी नहीं आने दी, एक बार नहीं 3 बार. Remember that Anjuna exhibition we had gone with that whole makeup and everything, how they misbehaved with me and I left. I paid for taxi to and fro. Then remember I went to Mapsa market. I didn't sleep the whole night. I reached the Mapsa market at 3:30 in the morning with my own table and everything. I didn't have any display boards. So, no sales. I came back in the afternoon. I was so tired. I couldn't stay awake. I hadn't slept all night getting it together. No sales. Then yesterday I showed you at Anjuna what they were doing. Display board के लिए मैंने plywood काटा. प्लाईवुड लेके मैं मापसा गई उसे कटवाने के लिए, फिर उस पे जाली लगवाने के लिए मैं कलंगूट से बागा से कलंगूट किसी से हिचहाइक करके बाइक पे लेके गई. इतना बड़ा डिस्प्ले बोर्ड, उस पे जाली लगाने के लिए एक नौकर की तरह इन लोग ने हर कदम पे मुझसे मेहनत कराई और जब पैसे देने की बात आई इन्होंने सब पे फिंगर्स पॉइंट की. इनफ, यू पे मी माय मनी, यू सेंड मी 5 lakhs right now, you fucking whore. You played long enough using me as a ladder and using me as a toy. Enough! You pay me my money right now, you fucking whore. Otherwise, I'm putting up a proper writ petition. You time me now. You time me. All my online fans and well-wishers. Today is what date? Today is 10th Jan. Yesterday was 9th Jan. I didn't even wish my brother. Do you know that? I didn't even wish my brother. Or today is 11th Jan. Let me see. What is the date today? Today is 10th Jan. You time me before 17th Jan. If I don't lodge the writ petition with all the ample proofs, I'm not Pooja Mishra in the Goa High Court. देखना तुम लोग का क्या हाल करूंगी मैं. मेरे पैसे मेरे तलवे चाट के मेरे पैर पे और मेरा 1,20,00,000 ROI जो मुझे बलि का बकरा बनाया, मेरी 34 to 35 मूवीज चुराई तुम लोगों ने विंसर में, मेरे तलवे चाट के मेरे पैर पे नहीं रखे ना, तो देखो मैं क्या हाल करती हूँ. ये तो बहुत कम बोल रही हूँ, जो प्रोस्टिट्यूशन किया, बीमारियां दी मेरे को. यू सी हाउ मच आई चार्ज यू, more than 100 crores. Enough. Get the fuck out of here, otherwise you will not see the light of dawn, you benchots. Fuck off. Keep your delusions and all this chutiyapa you all do on Instagram to yourself. I know nobody cares about me and nobody is there for me, okay? तो ये जो rose tinted glasses रोज पहनाते हो, 1000 WhatsApp messages भेज के, 1000 fake bookings की inquiries करके, 1000 reels भेज के, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. I know who I am, I know what I want, and nobody is coming in my way. And if you do, you'll have so many cases against you. You will not be able to move around freely. The way you all put me in a cage by getting me in this room since 2005. Black magic, hypnosis, hacking, stalking. Is there any limit to this desperation? How desperate can one get? Enough. Fuck off now.